Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, it's gorgeous. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new friends and to all of my new subscribers. Welcome back to all of my longtime friends and longtime subscribers. Thank you all so much for choosing to be here today. I really do appreciate it. Y'all, I meant to get this out last week, but unfortunately I wasn't able to. But my March paper crafting kit is ready. So it's full of goodness, and I'm going to flip to my overhead camera so that I can give you a closer look. So this is the kit all bagged and ready to go. I am going to take everything out of the bag, and y'all, there's a lot in here. We're going to take everything out so that I can show you what you're going to be getting. So this is going to be a very large paper crafting kit because originally I was going to make it a St. Patrick's Day kit. And then I thought, well, not everybody actually does St. Patrick's Day crafting. So I made it a mixture. I do have some St. Patrick's Day items in this kit if you want to use that to craft with, but I have a lot of non-St. Patrick's Day items too, so that if you want to craft with that, you will have plenty of crafty options. So I'm just going to move some of this out of the way because I want to make sure that you get a full view of this kit. Y'all, it is large. Y'all, there are 17 pieces of 12 by 12 double-sided cardstock in this pack, which gives you a lot of paper crafting options. So I'm going to go through the papers pretty quickly and just show you what you're getting. So when I was planning for St. Patrick's Day, I was actually looking at these two prints here. But you will have two pieces that are double-sided, and this is the back side. So you'll have two of these pieces. You'll have two of these pieces, and this is the back side, and this is the side that actually drew me in. So you're going to have two pieces of these, and y'all, this is a nice weight paper. You can actually make a box not reinforced with this particular paper. Then we have a sheet of green 12 by 12 textured paper, and then we have 12 sheets of wildflower paper, and there are 12 different patterns in this pack, and each one is double-sided. And I love these papers, y'all. I think that they are so pretty. So you can see that you have a lot of papers from which to craft. And I'm going to be using some of these papers in upcoming crafting projects. So you can count on seeing these being used. So we have 12 of the wildflower papers. We have 2 of this print and 2 of this print. And then we have a solid sheet. So in all you have 17 pieces here, plus 2 pieces of medium weight chipboard, the chipboard that I use on the channel for everything. So you're getting 2 sheets of that. This alone would be considered a paper crafting pack by some, but not for me. This is just the beginning. This is just how we build our projects. Then we're going to want to embellish them. So that's what we have here. All of the papers here will be the same in each kit. So if you saw a paper that you liked and you thought, I wonder if that paper will be in my kit, it will be. All of the papers will be the same. Then we have some beautiful champagne colored satin ribbon. This is 1.5 inches wide, and there are 2 feet. Then we have beautiful green ribbon. This is 1 inch wide, and it's 2 feet. So all of the kits will have the champagne ribbon, but your green ribbon might be a different shade of green. So I'm going to show you some of the items now that were going to be a part of just a St. Patrick's Day kit. But I decided I probably needed to make it more than just St. Patrick's Day. And so we have some of these vellum washi stickers, and you can see just how big they are. I believe there are 5 per pack. Then I have St. Patrick's Day themed washi tape. Each kit will contain a roll. The washi tape will differ. All of these items that I'm showing you now will vary from kit to kit. You will have the item, but it might be a different pattern from what I'm showing here. So we have these sweet little shamrock stickers, and there are 10 in each baggie. And then we have a 6x6 sheet of rub-ons. Really, really cute. And so that's it for what I was going to put in for St. Patrick's Day. Then I decided that I would dress it up just a little bit and add some more flavor to this so that if you didn't want to do St. Patrick's Day crafting, you would have plenty of options. So let's talk about those options. So we have this beautiful washi page. Now this is a fussy cut page, but it is a washi sticker page. So when you cut out your image, you're going to have a sticker because this is backed with sticker paper. So everyone will have one full page of this. Your style will vary. And then you'll have either a sticker or a rub-on page like this one, but the styles will vary. Then we have a little pack of ephemera pieces. Your styles will vary from kit to kit. And then we have a beautiful little paper pack. Your styles will vary from kit to kit. I am going to be using these in a project as well to show you how you can use something like this. And then each kit will contain 5 pairs of Velcro dots and some glue dots. And then I have a little metal pack. And here's what we're going to have in the metal pack. I have this sweet little gold skeleton key. We have a little bee charm. A couple of the little crafty hooks. And then we have a whole bunch of brads. And y'all, that is my March paper crafting kit. I don't like to really give anyone the fear of missing out, but on this particular kit, in order for me to be able to make sure that each pack had 17 sheets of paper, I wasn't able to make my normal amount of kits. So this is one of those months where my supplies are extremely limited. In this particular case, I was a little bit not happy with how many kits I was actually able to make, but I wanted to make sure that the kits had a lot in them. So I decided that I would have fewer kits so that I could really make this kit full of beautiful papers and embellishments. So if you're interested, don't wait. These kits will go on sale tomorrow, March 6th at 4 p.m. Eastern Time. I'll have my website linked in the description box below of this video. But y'all, the kits will not go on sale until tomorrow, and I'm doing that because I have such a small amount. I want to make sure that everyone at least has the opportunity to know about the kits, and then at 4 p.m. tomorrow, I'll open it up, and you can go out there and purchase this really beautiful paper crafting kit. Now, if you're a member of my monthly members group or my Patreon, please be on the lookout for your 15% off discount code. I will have it linked on the Patreon page for my Patreon members, and I will send out a private community post to all of my monthly members. So for those of you who are interested in the paper crafting kits, thank you so much for supporting my website. It helps to support me and allowing me to keep my channel running, allowing me to make purchases for items that I want to demo for you on the channel. It allows me to go out and purchase things like this, things that I think might be helpful to us in our paper crafting. For all of you who are going to purchase a kit, thank you so much in advance. I really appreciate it.